Pagkatapos ng big game ni Moala Tautua kontra sa Japan kanina, sumama siya sa team dinner at sa film viewing para pagandaan ang Iran sa laban nila bukas. Pero si Tautua, pagkatapos ng laban Pilipinas, laba Pilipinas naman.
Our first pick and the second pick of Talk and Text, washing clothes.
Rookie duties.
Who said you needed this?
We said it. Oh, no one said it, Troy. It's just us. Out of the kindness of our puso, you know. Uy, sa akin yan.
Ay, shit.
You see what kind of roommate I got with? I'm waiting to use the bathroom. He's in there taking a bubble bath. Go figure. That's what I got to deal with every day with his 45-minute bubble bath.
Aussie's diapers? No. Aussie cleans his own diapers. Init. This is Matt. Hey, bibigyan ito sa Matt.
Ako natapos na ilabas ako eh.
Subscribe na sa akin.
Who is it? No, no.
Hindi, ito pa yata eh.
It's number 9. This is Gary? Yeah.
No. That's Romeo. APU.
Oh,
Yes, APU.
Come on, mo!
sorry. I thought it's 9. Kalimutan niya.
You have like that?
Bilang rookie sa Gilas Pilipinas, ang pagtulong sa paglaba ay kailangan gawin ni Moala Tautua. Ngunit kahit yan ay kaya niyang gampanan dahil hashtag para sa bayan. Mula dito sa Taiwan, Carlo Pamintuan po para sa Sports 5.
Magdalo pa kayo.